Good day, everyone. I am Daniel Recor L. Murphy. I will be presenting about wood today. Wood, for the thousand of years, has been used in construction and is now one of the most commonly used building materials. Everywhere you see in a construction site, you can see wood. So it's very popular because it's very affordable and efficient, and available. And its availability is very available. Next, these are the types of, or these are the kinds of types of food that are in the market today. So types of food, there are two types of food. First are hardwoods. They are woods that came from deciduous trees. Their leaves fall in winter and fall. Now, while soft foods on the other hand, comes from coniferous trees. They are evergreen all year. Sample of these are pine, spruce, cedar, fir, while the hardwoods are beech, oak, ash, and teak. Hardwoods are more likely to be found in high-quality furniture, decks, flooring, and construction that needs to last because they are used in that because they are hardwoods, so mas dugay sila maguba kasi sa softwoods. While softwoods have a wide range of applications, and they are still found in building components such as windows, doors, furniture, medium density fiberboard, and they compose about 80% of all timber. Next is the structure of wood. Wood, as we all know, is an organic material. They are a natural composite of cellulose fibers that are strong in tension and embedded in a matrix of lignin that resists compression. Now, the strong have two material properties. The center is in compression and the other layers are in tension. So as you can see here, this is the hardwood. Um, this is more resistant to compressive forces because center is in compression because as new wood emerges from the side, the old woods are compressed in the center. That's why center is in compression and the outer layers are in tension. Next is the physical structures of hardwoods and softwoods. Their differences. This is a microscopic level. The first image is softwood, which has less pores, and while the hardwood has a lot of pores, these pores are the reason why hardwood are strong and harder than softwood. And the pores in hardwood are a lot of what gives hardwood its permanent grain, which is quite different from softwood's light grain. Moisture content in food is very important because water, too much water can make the wood weak because the presence of water affects the bonds between the fibers, effectively weakening the wood, making it more pliable. While density, it is an indicator of food strength, mostly on soft food because higher density meaning stronger wood, but hardwoods are already hard, so density doesn't matter. Thermal expansion. Um, Wood can retain its original structure from hot climates, while in freezing temperatures, the water within the wood can expand because the moisture in the wood causing it to crack. Here are the mechanical properties of woods. So first, tensile strength, compressive or crushing strength, transverse or binding strength for beams, stiffness and elasticity, toughness, hardness, and resilience. These are the mechanical properties that determines a wood. Next is lumber versus timber. Wood which is smaller than 5 inches wide by 5 inches thick is referred to as lumber. These pieces are usually machine planed and sewn for certain dimensions. So as you can see this lumber, amis kayong kilid, ano yun siya para diretso na for residential construction. While timber, on the other hand, are pieces of wood over the lumber dimension, regardless of length, are timber. Although any timber pieces that are more than 8 inches wide and 8 inches thick are called beams. So this is timber. Uses of timber. It is used for heavy construction works like columns, trusses, piles, for other permanent works like for railways, sleepers, fencing poles, electric poles, and gates. Or also for decorative works like showcases and furnitures. Kaya mas tagko mo sila, mas dali sila hulmahon. Uses of lumber. Can be used in framing of walls, for outdoor canopies, flooring and ceiling, and hardwood floors. Also, it can also be used in temporary structures such as for shuttering and scaffolding. Kay dali ra siya i-lansangon. Common constructions products made of wood. First is plywood. We all know this. This is very stretchable, very flexible, and very thin. Um, and next is glulam or glue laminated timber. It is a type of structural engineered wood, a product constituted by layers of dimensional lumber bonded together with durable, moisture resistant structural adhesives. Next is laminated veneer lumber. It is constructed from thin sheets of wood that are glued together. It is extremely strong because daghan kay wood na nagkumpak ano niya. More siya work of friction like in books, mas daghan, mas gahi. Gusto siya balion. Rented strand boards is a cheaper alternative to plywood. It is created from strands and fibers from woods that are being glued together with wax and not adhesive kanina man siya strands and fibers. Next is headboard. It is a kind of engineered wood where wood pulp is densely packed together and glued with an adhesive. It is used very similarly to OSB. However, certain varieties of hardboard are fairly flexible, so they are a great option or a choice for curved walls. Kaya sa kung ano na siya, pack po siya together, flexible po siya. So, benefits of using wood. Wood is renewable when responsibly sourced. It's durable, reusable, and recyclable. Mabalik rin na itong nagamit ang wood. Kaya pwede pang tapak, pang sunod after gamiton, like that, and etc. Some other benefits include thermal insulation, acoustic insulation, adaptability, health benefits due to its subjective comfort, which is true because, as you can see, it came from the forest and good energy, positive energy ang gikan sa forest kay it's also a living organism. Structural stability, better fire resistance due to low thermal conductivity. Wood deteriorates also. Here are the factors that contribute to it. First is moisture, sunlight, heat, cold, chemicals, abrasion by wind-blown materials, and biological agent. No matter how hard the wood is, still it is an organic uh, material, so deteriorate siya over time. And these are the organisms that degrade wood. There are termites, fungi, insects, mollusks. Ano sila mga organism na mukaon wood. Next topic is asphalt. So what is asphalt? Wala siya nung makita sa dalan. It is a sticky black, highly viscous liquid or semi-solid form of petroleum. It's a mixture of dark bituminous pitch with sand or gravel used for surfacing roads, flooring, roofing, and etc. Kita na nyo dito, kanang itom sa mga kanang itom na dalan na murag simento pero itom na kayo para for cement, that is asphalt. Its primary use is for road construction and it comprises 70% of it because roads are long. So, grabe kayong usage ng asphalt kay imagine ang roads kay mo range from how many kilometers, so madala na to understand. Also, it is used for bituminous waterproofing products, including production of roofing felt and for sealing flat roofs. As you can see here, it penetrates and binds its kanang the asphalt. Next, kinds of asphalt. First is hot asphalt. This type is easiest to work with when temperature of it is high. But when mubugnaw na siya, mugahin siya sa rock, so listen siya, i-move that. Porous asphalt, as from the word itself, na siya porous, na enable water to drain to the pavement, and this is used for parking lots. Perpetual pavement, the combination of it and the multi-layer paving design process is called perpetual pavement. Perpetual pavements are long-lasting and durable, while warm mix asphalt, which is number 4, is produced as the same as asphalt, but the temperature is only ranging from 500 to 100 degrees lower. Okay, warm man siya while the other is hot. real hot. So na siya or warm na siya. Next is asphalt layers. This is the surface course, binder course, asphalt base course, road base course, and sub base, and the subgrade. First is surface course. It puts the chips, the top layer of the pavement. Dapat kusga na siya to withstand high traffic, environmentally induce stress without exhibiting satisfactory cracking and rotting kay smooth rabado ng asphalt. Also, next is kanang binder course. They are designed to withstand the high shear stress that occur about 50 to 70 millimeters below the asphalt surface. Base cores, they are the most significant structural layer of the pavement that is intended to efficiently disperse traffic and environmental loading in such a way that unnecessary stress and strain are not exposed to the underlying unbound layers. And the unbound materials and foundation as the formulation and subfold frequently constitute relatively poor materials. It is of utmost importance that the above layers effectively extract the harmful loadings kay weak yan so unbound materials and foundation. So this is how asphalt is manufactured. First, kay recyclable na asphalt is 100% recyclable. Mo siya wrap recycled asphalt pavement then also crushed stone, gravel, and sand stored in stockpiles mo siya mga aggregate. Next is it is measured in the cold feed bin into conveyor belt. Next it is brought to the drying room which dries and heats aggregates before mixing it with the asphalt cement katong sticky. Then it goes to step 4 which is emission control system. It bags the house collectors, filter final sound and dust particles from the exhaust air and then it goes to the storage silo. Muna ni siya ang hot mix asphalt. Dili na butang before siya load sa trucks, then the trucks will deliver it to the construction site. And this is the asphalt mixtures. So asphalt versus concrete. First, you must know na this table is only for driveway comparison. Okay, para natin per meter sa atong kuan pag compare nila. So in summary, concrete lasts longer but asphalt driveways are less expensive to install. Kaya mas mahal ang concrete. So asphalt needs more maintenance but it is generally easier to repair than concrete. So quality control, consistency, the viscosity at a given temperature is dependent on it. During the hardening process, sloppy mixing and temperature control cause further damage to asphalt paving. A standardized penetration test is defined evaluating paving quality. Purity. To check its purity, refined asphalt is soluble in carbon disulfide at 99.5%. So safety. It must be free of moisture after the processing of it. The moisture, because the moisture will cause asphalt to foam above heat 212 Fahrenheit, and the foam can emit fumes that can flash. So these are the advantages of asphalt. First, it is smooth. Makita inabsdan after na smooth kayo now sa asphalt ikaw man. Next is cost efficient. It has low cost of repairs compared to concrete. Next is this is durable. Because it is flexible and it enables it to stand with overloading. It's also fast to construct because yan ang after mo ready ang dalan mapatag mo imo ra siyang ikuan iyabo then ipatag sa then mas faster siya mo cure and recyclable. It is 100% recyclable as what you can see in its manufacturing process in step 1. While its disadvantages, its care and sealing dapat siya atin manon and brakes, construction, ecological issues and equipment etc. So this is all this is all about asphalt and wood. So thank you so much for listening.